Hi everyone, today we are talking about Freedom24. We will cover how it works, how to buy, its fees, regulation, and why it's a great option to use this platform. First, what is Freedom24? It is an online brokerage platform providing access to over 1 million trading instruments, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and other options on total 15 global markets. Up to regulation and investor protection, Freedom Finance Europe Ltd is regulated by the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission or in summation, and if something goes wrong, your money is protected up to 20,000 euro. So this is your homepage, and from here you navigate to basically everywhere. So first of all, here you have a button and you have your different accounts. Your trading account for stocks, ETFs, etc. is different from your saving account, but we will come back to that. Languages, it's clear that you have all of these options, so you can choose the one you prefer the most. And you have dark theme here, which we are going to switch to it because I personally prefer it. Secure session, once you press it, you have to do the QR thing with your phone in order to be in the secure session, and once you are in a secure session, you can actually trade, buy, sell, etc. So how do we add money to the account? Well, there is two options to do it. The first one and the fastest, you can use the button here, and you have directly the option with to pay with either Google Pay or credit card, but there are different fees for that. I personally prefer transfer by bank. Once you go here, you can go for your currency that you are going to transfer the money, add the information necessary, and it's very important always to add the brokerage account, which is this, in the payment details in order the money to go to the right place. So we managed to send ourselves some money into the account, which generally will be displayed here, and you want to trade. So obviously from here we navigate toward trade, and we have to choose a market. Now, as you can see here, you have all the markets, or the most popular markets. Then you have shares, bonds, and funds. Funds is basically ETFs. So if you want to add a fund which to watch over, you can just type it into the search engine and press it, and voila, you have now VTI and all the information that is displayed here. And if you want to start trading, you have to enter secure session, which we do a little bit later for something else, but this is pretty much the same here for stocks as well as the ETFs, and you can add whichever you want. And now again you can see buy, sell, and the information which is for Coca-Cola in this particular case. So now I'm going to switch to the other account because here we have very little information, and I would like to show you now how the whole thing with the profile works. And here we are to the other account. As you can see, I follow a bunch of stocks and only a few ETFs, which is VTI VOO. If you want to know the difference between the two, I have additional video. It's also in the bottom. And as you can see, in order to trade, all I have to do is open a secure session and choose what I want to buy or sell. That being said, we are going from here to the profile where you can see all of your information and your balance. So as you can see, we're in the profile section, and since this account was created for this video alone, all we have here is 110 euro, which I transferred earlier today. And in order to see everything else, we are going to purchase a single stock. So we go to the trade option. Here, as you can see, we already have the Coca-Cola that we earlier displayed, and if you click on it, it will go to another section where you can see all the detailed details about the price, how it's moved in time. You can press whichever of this it's important to you, and you can see estimate of growth potential, but I would not trust that for any investment purposes. And you can see what always interests me, if there is a dividend and what is the amount of dividend. Now, as you can see, from the beginning of the year till now, it doesn't look like the worst time to purchase, but this is a single stock, and this is not advice. Always decide on your own. So from here, we just can press directly invest, go back to the trade option, and I would just need a second to do the phone thing. Now we are in a secure session and we can proceed with the purchase. You can see these two things are now active and we have much more information available as well as a buy button. But the problem is that we don't have any dollars as I transfer euros. So there is inside the platform exchange, which we are going to do now in order to get the 63 in this case. Let's go with $70. Just press once and then you can go and purchase them. Now, as it is normal for life to never be too easy, there is some sort of order. I would assume this is because it's a demo account, but as the video is going in this direction, let me show you how to contact support. Now, if we have bought the dollars, you just press buy, you just add the amount here of how many stocks do you want to press buy, and you go to the profile to check out that everything is fine. So now let's go to the super menu. You go to the menu and press submit a request. Here you go to what I call the super menu on the left. You can go from here to any point, any document, anything you need is within here. And this is the window for support. It's that simple. It doesn't matter which language you use, as long as they support it on the platform, they will respond in the same language, which I believe it's very, very good, and not many platforms offer that. Usually you have to contact them in English only. So I will directly write them today about the issue, and I will come back with the video once they responded, and we will both see how much time it took them. So we are back, and here when you hold the button, you can see when I wrote them the message and when they responded. Now it's been almost a month since the last time I was doing this, but as you can see, they take around 10 hours to respond, probably 2 or 3 work hours. So and as you can see, it's in Bulgarian as the answer is as promised. So this is great. The response time is quite fast. I already purchased I already purchased the dollars as I showed you before, and now here when you go to the portfolio, you can see that I currently have in the account $70 and 43 euros. We are going to trade, and as you can see, everything is set up. We are in secure session, and if I press this, we go to selling option. If I press this, we go to buying option, and I can purchase only one because I have $70, which is fine, and that's what we do. As you can see now, we have a final message in order to confirm that we want to do that. And we are placing the order. And this is it. Now we already purchased one of the stocks of Coca-Cola. We can see the price that we purchased it and how it will move over time. And when we go back to the portfolio, we can see that at the moment we don't have the trade because we placed the order as today is a holiday. But it will be executed first time when the stock market opens, and then you will have it. We will see it here. And here it is. The purchase took place, and you can now see the entire portfolio, which is currently divided on the one stock, the euros and dollars. Here you have a list of all your stocks, and you know the exact amount, the entry price, and the current price, as well as the difference over time. This is very user-friendly, in my opinion, and it's very nice and simple to know how your investing is going. On trades, you can see what happened when. You can see here when we exchange the $17. You can see how much it cost. Here is when we do the purchase. Cash flow, everything that's happened is moving moves. As you can see, when we transfer money to the account, and this is the taxes for the trading commission. And we also have an economic calendar where you can see if there is some holidays and when the stock market will not work. But I think that this is the most important thing. And of course, we see the cash flow. Here you will also see eventually when your stocks start paying dividends, you will see the period, how much dividend you get. and all taxes doing everything this in here is done automatically, so more or less you don't have to think about the taxes. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Have a nice day.